Everyone, good evening and welcome to our daily Crypto Night Live. And today our topic is going to be about NFTs. No, it's an NFT season. So kamusta naman? Kamusta naman si cryptocurrency? Kamusta naman? Is it going to be a profitable season pa din? What's going to be happening? So sit back and relax. I've actually prepared everything for you within the next 45 minutes. If you are ready, please type number one. No? Welcome to our channel and also please welcome our newbies. No? Magandang gabi sa'yo. I hope you are doing well and welcome sa ating channel. If you are new to our channel, please click on subscribe and like our videos so you're going to be updated for everything that is crypto. It's gonna be able to help you in your journey on how to become more profitable and become more focused sa iyong mga trading, no? All right, let's start, no? Obviously, let's start with the top 10 coins. Bitcoin is currently at $34,160. It's currently a bit bullish, no? 7 days is currently at 7.76%. For the past 24 hours, it's currently at 1.08%. Ethereum, the queen of all coins, currently at 2,129, currently at 9.22% positive for the past 7 days, but negative 1.06% for the past 24 hours. Guys, take a look at this. USDT is currently down, no? Currently down at 61.8 billion. Guys, kakasabi ko lang sa inyo last week, no? US dollar Tether is going on a downward trend from a supply perspective. It's currently coming from 62.2 billion now currently down to 61.4. Almost 400 million ang nawala sa kanyang market supply. I will tell you why later, no? Binance Coin currently is a little below than $300, currently at $296.91. For the past 24 hours, it's actually down 1.76%. But for the past 7 days, it's currently also down at negative 2.71%. Almost all of the altcoins are negative, no, because of the volatility of the Bitcoin dominance. Cardano is actually in the same trend, although it's still bullish at the 7 days trend. It's currently sitting at 1.21 cents, no, $1.21. I'd say rather. XRP currently at 59 cents a piece. It's currently almost below 2% volatility both on the 7 days and 24 hours. USD coin currently at 27 billion, no? 27 billion market capitalization. By the way, thank you, Official D, for that super chat. I appreciate that. Thank you po. Dogecoin currently at 0.19 cents a piece, currently at 2.36. Medyo flat tong si Dogecoin, no? Na-stuck na sa top number 8 to. No? Flat siya within 19 cents, no? Both 7 days and 24 hours are below the 5% volatility range. So Polkadot currently strong at number 9, currently at $13.28 a piece, 1.81 negative for 24 hours, and 5.01% for the past 7 days. Binance USD coin currently at 12 tenths of a percent. And then Binance USD is obviously at 11.78 billion market cap. Volatility, disregard the volatility of this stablecoin. No? Let's just all focus on the market capitalization. Tumaas na yan, tumaas na yan. Diniscuss ko yan in my past couple of live. No? Lumilipat po ang stablecoin utilization from US dollar Tether. Tingnan nyo mabuti ito ha. Lumilipat siya from US dollar Tether into USDC coin. Guys, kahapon 26 billion lang to. Ngayon, it's already 27 billion. Let me just try to open it right now. Historical data. Ayan, kahapon guys, 26.99. 26.99 billion. Today, it's currently already 27 billion. Habang tumataas siya, your US dollar Tether is currently going down. No? Your US dollar Tether is actually on a downward slope. So meaning the people who are partnering or coupling their coins with USDT is using BUSD and USDC. So my recommendation is it does not harm to start coupling your coins with USDC, no? It doesn't harm to start doing that. Okay? Binance USD, as I've said, is a top 10 coin, currently at 11.78 billion. So this is still also on an upward trend. Also on an upward trend. Okay? All right, what is in the news today? Let's go quickly with what's in the news. Money Reimagined regulates stablecoins. Ang dami pong headline on the stablecoins, no? Diniscuss ko last time what is US dollar tether. Meron silang kaso sa New York State Attorney, pero okay na sila doon for the past 3 years. Pero ang malaking news kasi ngayon is Circle. Okay, Circle, which is the backdoor company or the company behind USDC, is actually going public. No, the company called Circle is actually going public in New York Stock Exchange. No, we're going public on the New York Stock Exchange. So um, I think this one, no, this one. Um, another news in terms of stable coins, no. Yan, Paxos. Paxos naman has released a breakdown of reserves of its stable coins and BUSD for the first time, no. What we will not ayan, the company disclosure came day after Circle, issuer of the second largest stablecoin USDC, revealed its assets backing the token. So naglabas din si Paxos ng kanyang total reserve backing the BUSD. Bakit lumalabas tong mga to, no? Because dumadami yung issue, lumalaki kasi yung issue on the stability of the stable coins, and a lot of bad press are coming out on Tether, no. It's coming out against US dollar Tether, no. So dumadami, so dumadami yung positive hype on USDC coin kasi may backdoor listing to, diniscuss ko na to before, no. And then itong BUSD, naglabas din ng kanilang ng revelation na si Paxos has revealed the total reserves, no. Total reserves, dapat kasi ang yung market supply is equivalent to your reserve, no? Kung meron kang 11 billion, dapat 11 billion din yung reserve mo para if everyone goes into, hindi naman rug pull, no? Everyone tries to withdraw their US dollar tether, then wala kang problema, no? You will not have a problem. Hindi magkakaroon ng bank run. Meron ka pa ring pondo. Ayan ang kinakatakutan si US dollar tether. Yun ang kinakatakutan nila dyan. Okay? Anyways, let's move on. Aside from this, what other news do we have today? Let's look at the Opels. Let's click on the latest news. Uniswap Laboratories or Labs limits access to some tokens. By the way, guys, no, si Binance, they already stopped trading. They're gonna be disenfranchising the tokenized assets, no? They're gonna be stopping that, no? They're gonna be stopping that. Rug pull, okay, nakita ko yung tanong ni Kindoy. Rug pull, ibig sabihin, pinull out, no? Rug pull is actually a common term kung saan ginagawa ito ng mga mga people with bad motives, no? No, kumbaga rug pull is tinanggal yung ilalim, tinanggal yung sapin, no? Ibig sabihin sa isang business nawalan ng pondo, no, nawalan ng legs yung business, nagiba, na-destroy, kumbaga. So, that's how I kinda interpret in very layman's term kung ano yung rug pull. Kumbaga, nawalan ng business, o tinakbo, lumayo, umalis, ganoon. So, hindi naman siya rug pull, sinasabi ko lang sa US dollar tether. Kumbaga, meron lang mga hype ngayon, mga negative hype on the US dollar tether, no? Alright. Let's look at BlockFi. BlockFi, I think there was a major news ng BlockFi. Ayan, no? BlockFi says Vermont has joined ranks of states probing the crypto lender, no? I think medyo maraming negative issues tong si BlockFi, no? I think if I'm not mistaken, Los Angeles or New Jersey has actually blocked BlockFi, no? On processing their crypto lending. Okay? So, not so good news, but I'll not discuss that because not majority of my viewers are using BlockFi anyways. All right, let's look into chain analysis executive heads to PayPal to lead crypto regulatory efforts. Very good news. Very good news yan kasi at least they're now putting a crypto head. Parang naalala nyo si Steve, yung crypto head ng Square na nag-mediator doon sa usapan nila Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. So obviously he is an employee of Square, ha? And Square is the company owned by Jack Dorsey. Siya yung kumbaga siya yung crypto head nila, no. So I'm happy kasi ang dami na ngayong mga in-hire na executive that are being called to lead the cryptocurrency department of each group, no? If you remember guys, last month, diniscuss ko sa ating live na si Amazon tsaka si Apple are now hiring for their crypto leadership head, no? Amazon and Apple and I think even Microsoft are hiring their crypto leadership head. And then bukas ilalabas ko yung headline, diniscuss ko to sa video ko bukas. Guys, even Mastercard is now entering, no? Panoorin niyo yung video ko bukas. Mastercard, which is a very big card issuer company in the whole world, second to Visa, is actually now entering the cryptocurrency space. They partnered with a bank. They partnered with a bank based in the US. They also partnered with USDC coin as a stable coin provider wherein pwede ka nang magbayad ng Mastercard credits mo ng iyong utang using cryptocurrency. So panoorin mo yan bukas, napakagandang news niyan. I think it's going to even push the efforts, no? Push the efforts of crypto adoption, no? Yung borrowing market, which is the people that has credit cards, no? By the way, nauna na yung Visa sa kanila ha. Nauna na sila, nauna na ang Visa that is now able to pay credits using your stable coin. So magandang news yan. And I think it's going to be a great, 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 great addition sa adoption ng cryptocurrency. All right? Let's move on. Ayan, no? So, okay. So, let's now go with our topic, no? Our topic is about NFT, no? So, sino familiar dito kay um, um, Deepet, Sands, Sand, sorry. Sino familiar kay Axie Infinity SLP type number 1 if you're familiar. Sige nga, type number 1. If you're familiar with those that I've mentioned. Okay? Let me see, show of hands. You're all familiar? Yes? Okay ba? Okay. All right. If you're all familiar, good. All right. Um, your familiarity with that means that ang dami na kasing proponent ng mga NFTs, no? Ang NFT kasi by nature, because it's a non-fungible token, ang kagandahan kasi ng NFT, by the word itself na non-fungible siya, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-exchange sa katulad niya. It's gonna be different, no? Meron siyang tinatawag na Ethereum address na siya lang yung may ganung address na property, no? So, ang kagandahan ng NFT, hindi siya magkakatulad unlike a fungible token, which is in this case BTC is a fungible coin. No? Basically, you could swap BTC with another BTC, correct? But for a non-fungible token, ini-enjoy siya because yung economy niya, yung tokenomics niya, napakaganda. It's becoming a money generating business. And then, sikat din si NFT. Discuss ko muna si NFT before tayo pumunta sa charting, no? Sikat din si NFT because gumawa ng ecosystem ang NFT for you to be able to earn. Kanina, nag-uusap kami ng mga leaders and nung isang araw, nag-uusap kami ng mga managers, no? Alam niyo naman, full disclosure, meron po tayong 2 scholar, no? Meron tayong 4 na scholar within the Miranda Mining group. And we're gonna be meeting all the investors on July 31, no? I wanna let you know na ang dami pong nag-apply. Almost 61 investors po. 69 investors have applied, but we would need to filter all of them, no? So, ibig sabihin, sabihin mo na na 30 yung ma-approve natin. Ibig sabihin po nun, 30 na scholars yung matatanggap natin. Okay? What the scholars, guys, nakita ko yung kitaan because I'm also earning already. Nakita ko yung simulation ng kitaan. Ang isang scholar po ngayon pwedeng kumita ng 50,000 pesos. Hindi po ako nagbibiro. 50,000 pesos ang isang scholar. Guys, sahod na yan ng isang vice president ng isang lokal na kumpanya. Malaki na po yan at ang grind mo lang 3 hours. So I think yung NFT as a way to earn income is becoming a very viable uh, opportunity for a user to earn money. To earn money, right? So, it in itself nagiging opportunity for the particular opportunity for someone na gustong kumita. Someone na gustong kumita. Okay? So, for example, kunwari lang po si Coach Miranda Miner ininvest sa 3 teams, no? Yung scholar po, 50,000 pesos isa per month. Ngayon, yung investor, bilang investor, pwede ka pa rin palang kumita. No? Kunwari, investor tsaka scholar ka lang. Edi 50-50 kayo doon, guys. Ang laki po nun, talo pa halos yung mining. Talo pa halos yung mining. Because yung crypto mining, ang investment po ng isang GPU, pumapalo po ng almost 70,000 ngayon yung isang 3070. So yung 3070 mo, pwedeng kumita yun ng 20,000 pesos per month. Pero kung i-invest mo siya sa isang Axie, parang halos bawi mo na yung 70,000 pesos in 1 month kung ikaw yung manager, ikaw yung investor, ikaw yung scholar. Hindi po ba? So, it's becoming a very, very viable ecosystem. You call it a self-ecosystem, a self-earning business. So, that is the fundamental reason bakit lumilipad yung price ng mga tokens. Bakit? Bukod sa exchanging of hands, bukod sa trading, the users, in this case, the users of those tokens are required to purchase SLPs. No, it's mandatory for them to survive kasi kailangan silang bilhin. Sabi ko nga, 'di ba? We need to breed Axie to sell Axie. We need to sell Axie to buy Axie. We need to buy Axie to farm SLP. We need to farm SLP to breed, 'di ba? And so on and so forth. So, umiikot siya. Maganda yung sistema niya. Pero of course, sinabi ko rin, reminder ko, they need to start burning the other Axies. They need to let go. Another example, they need to burn it in the wild, no? As an example ko nga nung aking unang-unang Axie recommendation 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. It's not yet happening. Unless ayan po ay mangyari very, very soon at maging public information na okay, you could burn now. You can burn Axies. Okay, there's a way for us to burn Axies already, no? And so on and so forth. I think magiging long term. Ngayon, let's go now with the future of the altcoin and the Bitcoin. For me, hindi mawawala ang Bitcoin. In fact, you guys need to know this, no? In fact, you need to know this. Number one, Ethereum is going to the moon. No, bihira ako magsabing going to the moon, ha? Ito, you guys all heard bakit si Elon Musk nag-invest sa Ethereum. Inamin niya to nung debate nila. He holds Ethereum, he holds Dogecoin, he holds Bitcoin. And sabi niya, I'm not a dumper, I'm a pump. I do pump. 'Di ba? I do pump, no? So what does that mean? You guys need to understand, pag lumabas si Ethereum EIP, yung pinaka-latest, pag lumabas po yan, the gas fee will be very, very cheap. At pag very, very cheap ang gas fee, what will it do to the NFT tokens? What will it do to the NFT world? Guys, lilipad lahat ng NFTs. Ang mura na ng gas fee. I remember, can you remind me, Nico and Joyce, if you're listening today, magkano yung nilabas kong gas fee for me to transfer 140,000 for the 2 teams? Malaki, di ba? Even kayo, if you are a manager, magkano nilabas nyo para ma-transfer sa mga wallets nyo yan? You're paying gas fees. But the EIP 1559, ladies and gentlemen, which is the London fork, katapos ng Berlin fork, ang pangako po niyan, it will significantly reduce the gas fees. And you all know that majority of the tokens, if not all of the NFT tokens, are housed within the Ethereum blockchain. They're within the Ethereum blockchain. So pag nag-improve ang Ethereum blockchain, pag nag-improve ang gas fee, lilipad lahat ng mga tokens na yan, ang liliit na mga gas fees niyan. Ano yung mga gas fee na lalaki? Ano yung mga lalaki na gas fee? Ito yung mga transactions na naka-DOS prompt pa dati. 'di ba? Naka-DOS prompt pa dati. So, yung mga Ethereum, yung mga naka-ERC tokens, no? Yung mga naka-ERC na 'yan, no? They will be influenced by the EIP 1559, right? So, considering the improvements ng EIP, dadami pa yung mga, and I think it's time for Ethereum to do this kasi guys, si Solana nandiyan na. Solana is there in the corner. Si Solana 50,000 transactions per second, and si Solana guys is significantly lower ang gas fee. Pati si Polygon, ha, wag niyong kalimutan si Matic, 'di ba? Pati si Polygon, tandaan niyo 'yan, 'di ba? So eventually I think, if you all look into the ecosystem of tokens, at the end of the day, I think it would still go higher. It would still go higher, no? Kung merong magandang ecosystem. And number two, because sobrang lumaki si Axie, dapat ayusin nila yung kanilang technology. They need to fix their technology. They need to fix, their system. Hindi pwedeng puro lag. Hindi pwedeng puro ganun, freezing issues. Bakit? Kasi nung nagkakaroon sila ng lag, what happened to the price? It went significantly down. No? But after the lagging was finished, what happened to the price? The price significantly then went up. But going sa charts natin, what I'm seeing here, no, from a charting perspective. Okay? So this is Axie Infinity, no? Obviously nakita nyo dito nagkaroon ng correction, no? Nagkaroon ng correction, and when we do our Fibonacci's here, no? Let's look at the Fibonacci's here. Let's go to Fib retracements. Ito, na-amaze na naman ako kanina, no? Na-amaze na naman si coach dito. Okay, so you're all familiar with my Fibonacci extensions, no? The Fibonacci extensions, at ginawa natin to, it's a template already, no? At gumawa ako ng video where I earned 13,000 pesos in 3 hours. Panoorin mo yan. Panoorin mo yan. And make sure na alam mo kung anong ginawa ko doon, no? Ano yung mga ginawa. Pero if you have not watched it, bibigyan ka ng konting, or I will discuss it today, no? That's fine. So, nakita ninyo, when I created a Fibonacci retracement here, nilinyahan ko si 0.618. Nakita ninyo na itong itong axis na to nag-bounce dito. And it also corrected here. It corrected there. No? So from a correction standpoint, I think what we're seeing here is ito lang ang aantayin natin, no? Kasi pag ito nabasag, axis will go down. This is price action, ha? This is price action. Kanina ko pa ito inaantay, no? So wala po tayong position kay Axie today. Nagbenta na po si coach. Nag-aantay ako ng bounce, eh. So ito nabasag na. Nagkakaroon ng basag dito, no? Another way to look at here is this one. Ayan. That's another way to look at these charts, no? So most likely this can bounce, no? Most likely this can bounce. Let me try to go for 30 minutes. Okay, most likely this can bounce. And by the way, itong red kasi na to, this is the 0.618. This is the 0.618 within these two extensions, no? And remember, because ito yung 0.618 niya, this one already bounced here. This one corrected here. No? So I'm expecting that this downward trend of 38.9449 currently actually is going to bounce at the $37. It's going to bounce here. Okay, it's going to bounce here, and that is an opportunity for you to enter. But make sure meron kang confirmation. Meron kang tinatawag na confirmation candle, this one. Okay, meron kang confirmation dyan. That could be a potential bounce. Okay, and make sure that you have your MACD confirmation. Make sure you have your MACD confirming with you. Because if this one, okay, here, if this one does not agree with you, then don't enter. Diba? Wait for this one, no? Wait for MACD to tell you, teka lang, huwag ka munang pumasok, hindi pa nga yan green eh. Oh. Saka hindi pa to bounce, no? Magantay ka ng bounce dyan. Why is it going to be a potential bounce? Because it's going to respect this support line. It's going to respect this support line. Okay? So even on the 1 hour trend, it's still showing a bearish formation. In fact, the selling pressure is still there, no? So wait for this to correct. Wait for this to bounce. Wait for the bounce, no? Wait for the confirmation candle. Wait for the confirmation candle. I did expect this will correct, to be honest with you. Kaya hindi pa ako nag-position dyan. Nag-take profit na ako sa $42 kanina. Okay? So, I know this will correct because nag-correct na siya dito eh. Yan, no? Now, kung wala ka pang posisyon, where do you enter? Where do you enter? The safest is on the breakout of 49.96. That is your safest. Okay, mag-abang ka ng order sa 50. Abang ka ng order doon. Make sure you have your MACD confirmation. Because if you add RSI here, guys, if you add RSI, by the way, no, since marami na tayong audience today, pa-type nga ng number 1 kung nafa-follow si Coach para alam ko na naririnig, naiintindihan. Nafa-follow nyo ba yung sinasabi ko? Okay, RSI is at 52, no? Mababa na yan. RSI is at 52, no? It's actually going down. If you go on a 1-day RSI, it's still parabolic, no? It's still parabolic at 76. Your RSI on weekly, it's still at 86. So parabolic pa din to. By the way, may nagtanong kanina, no? Sagutin ko na lang here, no? What does parabolic mean? Parabolic is a slang term, no? It's a slang term invented by traders kasi ang ibig sabihin ng parabolic, it looks like it is on the, alam mo, Joey, do you guys remember what does parabola means? What does parabola means or parabola when you were in high school or in college? What does parabola means? So I'll not go to mathematics today, but basically parabolic means that the price is actually exponentially growing higher. Tumataas yung presyo. At ang characteristic ng isang parabolic rise or parabolic is if the RSI is overbought, I'm sorry. If the RSI is overbought, okay, overbought, ibig sabihin, your RSI 30 is above 72, it means that, ayan, alam ni Elner, y equals the function of x squared daw. No? Ayan. So, alam daw niya ibig sabihin ng parabola. Sabi niya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nun, tumataas yung price. And from a metric perspective, ang ibig sabihin ng parabolic, yung price niya sa taas, yung measurement mo dito, 72 and above kapag RSI 30. That means ito ay parabolic. What does correction mean? Correction means nauuntog siya. Nauuntog, okay. Magandang tanong yan. What does correction means? Correction is nauntog in Tagalog. Bounce means correction happens on resistance. So for example, ito yung resistance mo. Kapag ito ay nauntog, kunyari, this one is your resistance, the $49.96, that is your resistance. Or this another resistance itong part na to, because this is the Fibonacci 3.618 extension, no? Pwedeng mauntog diyan. Ibig sabihin nag-correct, nauntog, bumaba, no? Nauntog. Now, ang kabaliktaran, bounce. Bounce is on the support. Correction is on resistance. Okay? Alright. Bakit madaming fib? Because I'm using an extension today. Okay, pero if you wanted to use the simple retracement, yan, tanggalin ko lahat yan. We can use a very simple retracement. No? We will do We'll do this one. From your lowest to your highest. We will do that. You can also do that. The problem with this coin is that it doesn't, I mean, it is retracing. Kaya meron kang gamit kay Fibonacci retracement. Pero ba't ko ginagamit sa extension? Kasi angat siya ng angat. Hindi siya napapagod. Hindi siya napapagod. Angat siya ng angat. So pag angat ng angat ng isang coin, anong gagawin mo? What can you do? What can you do para i-measure mo hanggang saan siya aangat? Yun ang purpose ng extension. Kasi imagine mo ha, imaginein mo, ganito yung itsura ng token na to. Your Fibonacci cannot help you. Your Fibonacci retracement cannot help you. Watch my video kung saan kumita ako ng 13,000 pesos. Guys, kunyari ganito kunyari ganyan ang takbo. Tanggalin ko tong ano na to. Tanggalin ko tong dalawan to. Alright. Ganyan ang itsura ng iyong chart. Ganyan, pataas. How can you use Fibonacci here? No? How can you use Fibonacci here? Pwede, subukan natin. O sige, yan, gamitin natin. Yan. Pwede siguro ganyan. Ganyan. Right. But it doesn't tell me anything. It doesn't tell me anything. It tells me na pwede siyang mag-retrace sa 0.5, yes. Pwede siyang mag-retrace sa 0.382, yes. Pwede siyang mag-retrace sa 0.618. My problem is, what if umakyat pa yan pataas? What if umakyat pa yan sa tuktok? Yun yung mga naiiwan eh. No? Kaya hindi napapasok, hindi kumikita, no? Naiiwan, hindi kayang basahin, hindi niya nababasa si extension. Kaya tinuro ko sa inyo yan. Kasi si extension, pag bumasag yan ng fib extension, 3.618, 2.618, 1.618, lilipad yan. Lilipad yan. Kaya napapasok natin yan. Ba't tayo pumapasok ng $30 axi? Ba't ako pumasok sa 35? Why did I enter all of that? Saan nanggaling yung number na yun? Those are all extension breakouts. The problem with MACD is a laggard metric. MACD cannot give you anything. MACD would only tell you if the price is going higher, MACD will also go higher. I'll give you an example. Indicator, MACD. Alright, what does MACD tell you? What does MACD tell you? Nothing. Yes, it is actually intersecting. So what's the point? What gives? Diba? It can give you confirmation, but it doesn't. For example, another one, this one. Ganyan ang itsura ng coin mo. Ganyan, for example, ganyan. Ganyan. Ayan guys, ganyan ang itsura ng coin mo. Remember ha, MACD is downwards. MACD is downwards. So what does that mean? Are you going to withdraw? Unfortunately, binasag niya si 0.5 pataas. Binasag niya to. Ayan, binasag niya yan. Nung binasag niya yan, that's $32, boom, umakyat pataas. What did MACD do? Finalo niya, hinabol niya. No? Bakit mataas yung mga axi ngayon? Bakit mataas ang mga NFTs? Because meron siyang ecosystem. Ganun po kalakas ang mga Pilipino. Palakpakan natin ang mga Pilipino. Number 1 market ng NFT ang Philippines. Especially axi. Kasi we are all gravitated sa easy money, no? Guys, wag na tayong lumayo. I have 61 applications for investors. I have 61 investors. And ito, uunahan ko na kayo I will be very honest. Yung papakita ko sa inyong investment, and ito kasi yung mentality ni Coach I would rather tell you all the risk right now. I would rather tell you all the risk para alam mo, I will not sugarcoat to you. I will not sugarcoat to you. Pwede rin candle reading, Halo. Pwede rin. Pwede mag-candle reading. Pero kasi candle reading is a technical charting in itself, no? Candle reading is a technical, may mga ganyan, may mga mentors na candle reading and volume lang. May mga ganun. Trust me. Volume lang. Right? This is your volume, merong big pressure volume, merong big candle, pero why did it go down? Why did it go down this way? So meaning the volume, which is very high here, could be your determining factor for the price to go forward from 41 even up to 48. But why did the price retrace? That is the question. That is the question. Why did it retrace? Why did it go down? Diba? So again, what I'm trying to say is again, this is up to you to use it. No? Ako, I've been using it and I've been very, very profitable. May mga tokens talaga na biglang lumilipad. And guys, by the way, another thing, another metric that you can use is RSI ha. Tinuro ko na to, parabolic day trading. Kapag ang daily mo is RSI 72 to 76 and then your RSI weekly 30 is still below 80, pasok, bili, antay ng ilang araw. Pero pag parehas na silang 80 and by the way, I'm using Heikin-Ashi ha. I'm not using regular candles. Baka iba ang itsura ng candles mo. Okay, I've been always using Heikin-Ashi because for me, Heikin-Ashi candles tells me if it's already bearish. If it starts to throw back-to-back red candles, it's already bearish. No, candle reading pa lang, pwede ka na. Candle and EMA pa lang. Actually, to be honest with you, may mga ibang mentors ang tinuturo lang. Heikin-Ashi and EMA 9. That's it. EMA 9, EMA 20, and then Heikin-Ashi. Period. Yun lang. Wala nang oscillator sa baba. Yun lang. Kumikita na sila. And by the way, may nagtanong sa akin kanina, Coach, ano pong ibig sabihin ng tatlong EMA? No? Swerte ka today. I'm going to demo that to you. I will teach that today. Pero guys, naintindihan ba to? Naintindihan ba si extensions? No? So ang vista ko dito, this can let me just make sure I do the right hours here, no. Teka lang. Antayin niyo muna tong mag-retrace, guys. Let's wait for this to retrace, no. Antayin niyo to and then antayin ninyo na this can bounce. This can bounce here. 37. This is 37. Let me just get the 37.44. This can bounce at 37.44. Again, this can bounce kasi nag-bounce na siya dyan. This can again bounce here. 37.44. But do not enter until you see a bounce. A bounce is composed of a confirmatory candle after a prison break candle, after a prison candle, after a MACD confirmation. Marami pong confirmations ang bounce. Huwag kang papasok sa konting bounce lang, yung maling bounce. Kasi baka mangyari dyan, pag ikaw pumasok sa maling bounce na hindi talaga bounce, ito ay bababa doon. It can go down. Okay. Alam mo na to, sa mga naturuan ko na, anong tawag dito? Ang pwedeng mangyari kasi dito is, this is, a trend resistance breakout. This is the insulated consolidation. This is where the magic happens. And right now, it's actually forming a pullback. It can form a pullback. So, hindi malayong mangyari because it's already still a bearish. And then, by the way, walang volume to ha. Yung volume to. Baka tinutulak to pababain. No? Ang kagandahan nito guys, ito lang sasabihin ko sa inyo. Pag marunong ka maglaro ng coin ng token na to, ang bilis mong kikita ng pera. Ang bilis po. Ang bilis. Ito yung mga iiwasan mong pullback. So yan, iwasan mo yan. No? Kasi babasag na ng 618 yan. No? Pero pag napasok mo to, okay, for example, this one. Let me remove the other fibs. No? Ayan, for example, you enter this one. This one, no? Let me try to put horizontal line yan. For example, ganito yung itsura ng chart mo sa axis. For example, ganyan. Yan. Ayan. That is your candle, no? All right. Bullish. Atras tayo, atras yan. Forward tayo. Forward, uyups, nagkaroon na ng bearish, natakot ka na. Ito na ang problema. Ito yung magandang malakas magpayaman. Kapag bumabasag ito ng multi-year resistance tulad nito, there is a tendency for this breakout to further go even higher. Ladies and gentlemen, if you entered this multi-year breakout, which I was able to enter, kaya kumita tayo ng 13,000 pesos in 3 hours. If you're able to enter that, ladies and gentlemen, ikaw po ay kumita na ng almost 69.42% volatility. Pwede na po ba? Type number 1 kung gusto mo ng 69.42%. O sabihin mo nang itaas mo yan, gawin mo dito nyari sobrang safe ka. Pwede na ba ang 55.81%? Pwede na ba yan? Eh si coach, ang ginawa niya, pumasok siya sa 31 pesos, 31 USDT. 31 pesos. 30 USDT, no? We entered there and we sold at $37. That is a 19.19%. Why did I sell there? Kasi may Fibonacci na akong inaantay dito. Meron na akong inaantay na Fibonacci dito sa area na yan. I was waiting for this to correct and I was wrong, which is fine. Pero sino bang kumita ng 19.19%? Profit is profit. 13,000 in 3 hours is 13,000. Diba? So, ang tanong, bakit hindi mo nakita yan? Why didn't you not see this? Why did you not see, but hindi ka nag-abang sa 29.19 breakout? Ba't di ka nag-abang dito? Maybe you don't know, no? Bakit yung iba nakikita? This is your bread and butter trade. This is my bread and butter trade. Breakout trade is my bread and butter trade. I want you to have your bread and butter trade. Mag-isip ka, ano yung bread and butter trade mo para pag nangyari yun, pasukin mo, kumita ka ng pera, you're profitable. Huwag kang pasok ng pasok kung saan-saan. Don't just enter and enter just because you wanted to enter. Wag ganon. Find your bread and butter trades. And if you see it, doon ka pumasok, doon mo tayaan, doon ka kikita, doon ka profitable. 13,000 in 3 hours. Kung nakita mo yan, nakuha mo. Diba? Ayan, oh. Bumulusok, oh. Diba? Bumulusok. Ngayon, kung naiiwan ka na niyan, okay lang. Guys, controlled loss is also a win. Huwag kang ma-FOMO. Kung maiwan ka, okay, that's okay. There's always gonna be another. O ngayon, saan ka papasok? Ito, antayin mo ngayon. Antayin mo to. Pag itong trend na to, I'll give this idea to you, no? If this trend bounces, corrects, and goes here, mag-abang ka na po ng order. Abangan mo na yan. Abangan mo yan, dilipad pa yan, magsi-64 pa yan. Pag bumasag yan ng previous all-time multi-year resistance, alam mo na. Antayin mo muna mag-ano to. Parang ganito guys, oh, tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo to. Ay, di ba, nakita mo yan, nag-breakout na dito. Nag-breakout dyan, nagkaroon ka ng confirmation bounce candle, nagkaroon ng MACD confirmation, boom, lumipad yung candle pataas. Gawin mo ulit yan. Antayin mo to mag-confirm, mag-MACD confirmation dito, no? Magkaroon ng buying pressure, no? And then magkaroon ng breakout candle confirmation dito. I am telling you right now, ladies and gentlemen, ito, kikita ka dito. Pasukin mo yan. Pag bumasag. Kapag bumasag. Kapag bumasag, guys. That is the question. Ngayon, be patient. Huwag kang atat, huwag kang pasok ng pasok. You need to wait for that breakout. Breakout trade is my bread and butter trade. Paano, ba't ako kumita ng 22,000 pesos on Monday and Tuesday of last week? Why did I earn that? Because of this. Because of this breakout trades. Diba? Why did I earn that money? Because of these breakout trades, guys. Diba? So, kung ikaw naipit ka, ikaw yung natalo, I will challenge you. Baka yung in-enter mo mali. Or baka, pagkita mo sa phone mo, ay, pataas na si Axie. ay pataas na si SLP, papasok na ako, bahala na. Hindi na ako magcha-chart. O bato-bato sa langit, guys. Hindi na ako magcha-chart. 'Di ba? Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? Type number 1 kung naunawaan. Type number 1 kung and this one, oh. How did I earn this 20,000 pesos? How did I earn that? No? Ganon din yan eh. Ganon din yan, guys. No? All right. Anyways, confirm person candle and person candle and confirmation candle is not in the Google. This is something that I'm teaching, no? It's something that I'm teaching, confirmation candle, but may mga similarities yung term na yan sa labas. No, may mga similarities. Okay. Maliwanag na po si Axie. Let's go now to BTC. Now, let's go to BTC, guys. Si BTC is actually on a downward trend. Now, let me just look for a 30 minutes trend here. Naalala ko, nakabakasyon ako nito. Dinidiscuss ko itong malalim na to. No? I was discussing this and naalala ko yan. Let's try to go for 1 day. Okay, while I'm trying to open this, no, sagutin ko yung tanong ni Bob Ingwa. If I'm selling, I don't sell everything. I leave my position. So for example, si Coach MirandaMiner, meron akong posisyon sa Axie ng 9 pesos. Okay, meron po akong Axie position way back siya ay $9. Way back $9. I also have a position way back $19. So yes, I do sell, but I do sell my profits. I get back my profits. I get back my profits. And I leave my position on my bread and butter token. All right, let's go back. Sige, I will do the BTC. I will do the BTC and I will also do the three. Sagutin ko lang yung tatlong EMA, no? Sagutin ko lang yung tatlong EMA na yan, okay? So, swerte ka today. I'll answer that for you. Okay, let's do a 3 EMA strategy. Okay. All right. So, let's do an EMA 20, an EMA 50, an EMA 100, no? All right. Now, first things first, no? You could do an EMA 50, 100, and 200. You can do an EMA 20, 50, 100. Some traders use 150. They use 150. Okay? But for me, I'm using 100. Okay, let's do this. All right. Okay. What does this mean? What does this mean? Okay. May mga traders po kasi that they don't use oscillators, no? They don't use oscillators like RSI. So, in this particular case, paano mo gagamitin itong EMA na to? Alright? So, basically, what does it mean is, ang rule of the thumb, kapag si price or si candle is nasa ilalim ng tatlong EMA mo, that means that it is, number one, it is bearish. It is bearish. Kapag nasa taas siya, it is bullish. Parang Bollinger Band yan, no? Okay, number two. Kapag itong kapag itong candle mo ay bumasag ng isang batang EMA, ang iyong batang EMA is itong nasa baba. If it breaks out your EMA, may potential for your coin to go higher. May potential for your coin. Yes, it is an AOTS, correct. There is a potential of your coin to go higher. Remember, I'm using Heikinashi, ha? Other mentors are using regular candles. Again, I'm using Heikinashi because I trust the candle. Okay. Kapag ito ay bumasag ng pinakamatandang EMA, there is a tendency for this coin to go even higher. Parang ayan yung 0.618 Fibonacci mo. Naintindihan? This is almost like your fib. This is almost like your 0.618. Okay? Now, if it breaks your oldest EMA, it means that it is bullish. It means it will break out. Parang bumasag ng BB50. Bumasag ng BB50, it is already a potential bullish coin. Okay? If you are using an EMA 100, your time frame should be 1 day. It should be 1 day. Okay? Preferably use only 1 day because this EMA, all of these EMAs, preferably are used on a position trading. Position and swing trading. Now, if you are going to use lower than 1 day, I'd rather you use BB50. If you're using 1 hour, I'd rather you use BB50. Now, another condition for the 3 lines. Okay. If there is an intersection pababa ng mga lines na to, this could mean a bearish signal. Okay, I will remove the 20, no. I'll remove the 20. I will not remove the 20. I will remove the 100. Okay. So, by rule, parang EMA lang yan, EMA 9 and EMA 20. Kapag ang EMA 20 ay bumasag pababa ng mas matandang EMA, nakita nyo to? Bumasag pababa ng mas matandang EMA, the candles will all go down. In reverse, makinig in reverse, let me change the color of EMA 20. Let me make this orange. Ayan. In reverse, guys, if the orange line, which is your EMA 20, tumusok pataas galing sa ilalim ni EMA 50, that is the sign of bullish formation. Parang MACD, meron siyang bullish cross. Naintindihan nyo? So may tinatawag kang golden cross at may tinatawag kang death cross. Ang pinakasikat na death cross is using your 50 and your 200. Your 50 and your 200 EMAs or your moving averages, no? So, ang kagandahan ng tatlong EMA is it can give you an ability to enter on breakouts. However, ito yung gusto kong malaman mo. You need to make sure you understand this. Ipangako mo sarili mo, tatandaan mo to ha. You need to remember that EMAs are laggards. They only follow the candle. They don't tell you where and when and why it will bounce, it will correct, it will break out. Okay? Naintindihan nyo, guys? It would never tell you because the candle is only following the price. The candle is only, the EMA is only following the candle. Your EMA is nothing from here to here. Your EMA is nothing from here to here. Does that make sense? Make sense, guys? Ayun, no? Nasaan ang EMA? Walang EMA dyan. There is no EMA there. So, anong katulong mo? So, katulong mo ang dalawa, which I will not teach ng sabay. Ang katulong mo is si Elliott wave and si fib extensions and resistance. Ayan ang katulong mo. That is your helper. That is a predictive metric. This is a predictive metric. If it's a predictive metric, the other metric, which is your EMA, is what you call a laggard metric. This is what you call a laggard here. This is a laggard metric. What are the laggards? The laggards are your EMAs your MACDs, your RSIs, your Bollingers. Obviously, your EMA, your MA, are trend follow and MACD are trend following indicators. Trend following yan. Your RSI is a momentum. RSI and CCI are both momentum. They measure price action and price momentum. And then Bollinger is a volatility indicator. But all of them are laggards. Now, what can help you? How would you know that there is a breakout? So pwede mong gamitin channels, channel breakouts, no? Imaginary boxes breakouts, Darvas breakouts, right? The MAs, the moving averages cannot and can never predict. Only pag bumasag within the actual candle. Ito for example, pag ito bumasag ng kulay blue, which is your EMA 50, this is a sign of bullishness. This can be a sign. This can be a sign of bullishness. Pwedeng tumaas pa yan. The same thing that MACD tells you. The same thing of what MACD tells you, because MACD is actually telling you a bullish cross. MACD is also a moving average. MACD is also a trend following indicator. Parang moving average yun sa taas yan. Ang kagandahan lang ni MACD, meron siyang histogram. Okay, so now, ang kailangan mong gamitin is you need to use the power of your extensions. Because you have no idea what the H will happen here, Brad. You would never know what will happen here. O, manghuhula ka. Ay, manghuhula ka. O, pwede kang gumawa ng price action. Sige, price action tayo. Sige, let's do this. Alright, so let's do this, no? Alright, let's do price action right now. Let's do your major resistance. Here. Where is your major support? Here. Alright, where is your box? Here. So potentially, based on this box, pwedeng ang breakout line mo is 41,000. Pag bumasag ng 41,000, aangat pa yan. Aangat pa yan. Pwede pa yan. Pwedeng ganyan. Price action. Right? Ngayon, kung very, very technical ka, di mag-extensions ka. Ayan, you have your extensions. Diba? You have your extensions, you have your 618s. Here. Ayan. And then you form your fibs here. You form your fibs between the two 618s. So for me, the breakout line is this one. 37,000 is the breakout line. No? At least here, I know what will happen here. What will happen here? Okay? So it's good to know how to use your moving average, but you are only at the mercy of your candles. You're only at the mercy of your candles. So, guys, isang oras na ako nagcha-chart. 'Di ba? Isang oras na ako nagcha-chart. 'Di ba? Kung ako, it takes me time to chart and find my buying signal, I will challenge you, ladies and gentlemen. Dapat nagsispend ka din ng time mag-chart. Kasi if you chart, swak naman, panalo naman, you'll profitable naman. Huwag kang titira ng entry sa phone mo nang hindi ka nagcha-chart, Panginoon ko. Huwag kang mag-chat, pigilan mo, isara mo yung phone mo. Huwag kang mag-imbento ng chart sa utak. Hindi na chart ang fib sa utak. Okay? So please, parang awa mo na sa funds mo. Do not do an arbitrary and abstract charting on your head. Do not ever do that. Do not do that. Okay? So yon. So I hope na-answer yung tanong mo. Very passionate si Coach sa MAs, no? Kasi ginagamit ko din yan dati. I do the alignment of the stars. And again, I know who invented that. Credits to him, no? Credits to him, si Z. Pero I don't teach it because I have my own breakout plays. I have my profitable setups. I have my profitable setups. Ngayon, sasabihin ko sa'yo, hindi po ako nagpo-profitable setup sa utak ko. I do profitable setups in the chart. I do profitable setups in Investagrams. Kaya parang awa mo na, wag kang magcha-chart sa utak mo. Wala pong lumilipad na Fibonacci sa utak. Wala pong lumilipad na extension. Kasi guys, sa totoo naman, ito tingnan mo si MACD. O di ba nag-bullish cross, edi nag-green ka din dito, edi tumama ka naman, di ba? Eh sige, tira ka pa rin ng tira ng trading ng walang plano, kaya ka natatalo. Kaya ka natatalo. Oh, sige na guys, naging passionate si coach, no? Ayan, kasi kailangan talagang i-mold ko kayo na dapat talagang chart, chart, chart. Tapos guys, do not trade everything. You need to chart only. You need to trade your your bread and butter setups. Yung malakas magpayaman. Yung malakas magpayaman, guys. Naintindihan? Wag trade ng trade. Sayang yung pera mo. Bigyan mo na lang sa akin. Sa'yo yan, no? Sa'yo yung pera mo, alagaan mo yan, pinaghirapan mo yan, you know? Ang trabaho ko dito habang nakikinig ka, turuan kita kung paano ka kikita. Kailangan ko lang makinig ka. Huwag kang magcha-chart sa utak. Huwag kang magcha-chart sa utak tapos mag-execute ng order sa phone. Tapo mo yung phone mo, bigyan mo sa asawa mo. Kung nakikinig sa akin yung asawa mo, Mrs., yung phone ng asawa mo, pag tinitingnan niya yan at nakatingin sa malayo, ilayo mo sa kanya. Ilayo mo sa kanya yung teleponong yan dahil for sure magte-trade po yan. At pag yan po nag-trade, wala po kayong ulam bukas. Ha? Napatawa lang kita, guys. Ayun, kasi mahal ko kayo, no? Alright, anyways. So, ang ating topic for today is NFT season. Is it an NFT season? Yes. It is an NFT season, yes. Because a lot of consumers are actually using the tokenomics of the coin, of the token. Ginagamit nila. It's not only being traded, no? But the purpose of us discussing this today is because I want you guys to know that despite there is tokenomics, hindi ibig sabihin that Bitcoin is going to be bear. No, guys. In fact, BTC can still influence NFTs. BTC, very dominant, can still influence NFTs. Only, by the way, merong ganitong news, tandaan mo to, merong ganitong news, merong plano to decouple Ethereum from Bitcoin. I will try to show this to you siguro in the future. There are a lot of news today that talks about decoupling Ethereum with Bitcoin. That's a very interesting news. Kaya nga sabi ko, nung kanina, Elon Musk, there's a reason why this guy said, why am I invested on Ethereum? And of course, I want full disclosure, I have Ethereum as part of my wallet, guys. Okay? Anyways, guys, maraming salamat. It's 11:05. I did enjoy talking to all of you. I'd like to greet Super Kids, Hello Peter, Ellis, Ryan J, Kel Gaming Official, Marlon Perino, mga bagong pangalan to, guys. Welcome sa channel natin, ha. Welcome dito. Mali yung aking sound effects. Ayan. Welcome dito, ha. Welcome dito. Thank you for your support kay Coach MirandaMiner and the family. Kel Gaming Official, thank you. Whaleboat, oy, salamat Whale. Dito ka na ulit, ha. Perusalverse, ang tagal nating di nag-usap. Welcome here again. Tribu, Ginler, Vin, Michael, Adrian Bacos, hello. Mga bagong pangalan. Ron, iping mo ko. Ronald, iping mo si Coach, ha. Usap tayo. Tentacles Hex, hello. John Earl, Alquisa, hello po. Alright. Ray, Orasyon, hello. And then kay Betlords Gaming, hello. Thank you sa mga comments mo. Na-miss na kita sa mga comment box ko, ha. Comment ka sa mga YouTube natin. May miss ko na kayo. Alfonso Castillo, where to inquire on enrollment? Tanong lang po sa mga moderators. They can guide you po, Alfonso. Nakikita ko na yung Fibonacci sa aking panaginip. Ay Bry 13, I love you too, pare. I love you too. Lodi ka talaga. Oy, thank you. Jason Ruado, maraming salamat. Meron pang tuldok yung thank you, coach mo. Thank you. Sino pa bang bago? Ellen Palupit, minamaster ko na ang Feboy. Ellen, kamusta ka na? Thank you, ah. Perusal Verse, thank you. Spend de Sarapen, uy, kamusta ka na? Long time, thank you. Kenchi Gahisan, salamat din. Salamat po. Ano pa ba? Eddie Seller, thank you. Perusal Verse, let me read mga bagong comments. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Alright. Uy, Brain, kamusta na? Dito si Brain. John Dwight Apon, thank you. Infotech Eros, thank you. Shout out from Pagadian City. Hello, hello. Thank you. Tantan, like. Thank you. Messiah Sandy, Diyos. Oy, Diyos mabalo sa Indo Gabos, mga noy manoy manay, ha? Nag-uuran mo niya na magkahilang ka mo, dahil ka mo magluluwas, ha? Mga gurang dyan. Mga gurang dyan, ha? Si Manoy, yung kaibigan natin dyan sa Kamsur, ha? Dahil ka magluluwas ng harong. Naku, magsuuran ngun yan. Maria. Jason, Coach, pahinga ka na. Thank you. Salamat, Jason. Mon, idol kita, Coach. Idol din kita. Thank you. Loop PD, Coach, off topic, any trading book, sige, si Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, panoorin. Basahin mo yun, napaganda. Make sure gamitin mo yung quiz, no? Merong quiz yan sa una tsaka sa huli. Ay nako, napakagandang book, Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Alfred, thank you din. Jerome, Awit. John Dwight Apon, thank you, Coach. Late na ko, Coach. Oy, Jerome, nasangkwat ka na late. Clark, salamat, Coach. Newbie. Oy, Clark. Oy, guys, i-welcome nyo si Clark. Welcome natin lahat yan. Ainer Urata, Wave. Hello, hello. Thank you, Coach. Dahil sa turo mo, nag-Fibonacci extension profit ako kahapon ng $100. Wow! Since 10K pa lang, Coach, supporter na po. Oy, salamat. Hello, Peter, ha. Salamat. Jeffrey, thank you sa turo, Coach. Jonard Perez, thank you, Coach. Salamat din. Ainer Orata, hello sa dalawang kamay. Jane Michael Clemente, hello din. Sean Homer Mula, shout out po. Hello. Jason, thank you. D-Dags, thank you. Sean Homer, ang dami, ah. Miranda Solen, Coach, anong take nyo kay TLM and C98? I-discuss po natin next time. Brain, Bicolano ka ba, Brain? Di ko alam, ah. Alright, so guys, 11:09 na. Dakal na salamat sa Induga Boss, ha. Thank you sa mga Bisaya dinhi, tsaka yung mga Bicolano, no? Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat, guys. Alright, sa mga estudyante ko sa sa Tuesday, I will see all of you. And estudyante ko rin sa August 1 and August 8, July 31 and August 7. I will see all of you. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal. And I look forward seeing you on my next video. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe sa ating channel. And again, guys, salamat. Sana maging profitable din kayo. Huwag pasok ng pasok. Huwag mag-chart sa utak, ha? Alright, I love you 3,000 and I love all of you guys. Bye for now. I love you. Bye-bye.